If you've ever gone out for a taco salad out to a restaurant, this is what happens to me. I either order, their taco salad is either in a tortilla bowl or it's in a bowl. And they always put the lettuce and the cold stuff and everything in there. And then they put the hot stuff on top of the cold stuff. And then it has to sit there for a little while before the server can actually get it to your table. By the time you're ready to eat it, it turns into this like soggy mess. Sometimes they'll put in the chip bowl, the bowl that's made of a tortilla. The juices will go down to the bottom and they'll turn out into a really soggy mess. It's not very enjoyable. So I figured out a way to eat a taco salad, and it's all about your layering. You have to do this right. It makes the experience like so much better. All right, here we go. You put your bowl, you have a nice sized bowl here. I like the clear bowl so you can see, all right? And then you put your meat in on the bottom. You know, you just need a scoop and a half of meat, maybe a little bit more, especially if it's ground meat. You'll put your cheese in because your cheese is going to warm up on top of your meat. A little bit of cheese. Then you're going to put, this is like my favorite meal ever. This is one of my favorite salads, is to make a taco salad. Then you put your beans. The second favorite salad I like is BLT salad or spinach salad. Okay, then you take your sauce, just a little bit of sauce. You put your wet stuff in now. A little bit of the taco sauce that is smooth and tangy. A little bit of your cream sauce if you like. Just a dollop. A little bit of your salsa. It's all about balance, guys. So then, let's see if I forgot anything. Okay, now your lettuce. Check this out. This is when you can shred your lettuce, or you can break it up with your fingers. I choose to chop it today. So I'm gonna just take some of this lettuce head, chop up a little portion. So I take my knife, full control, make sure your knife is dry on the handle. Give it a little cut so that you get long strips, but not too long because you want it to fit into your mouth, right? How many times have you had a salad where you're trying to be graceful out in public or on a date, and you just look like, it's terrible because you can't get the food in your mouth? So I take those long strips, flip the cutting board around, and cut them in half again. So you have these beautiful little strips that you can actually get into your mouth. Very important, especially if you're on a date. Squeeze a lime. Beautiful, oops. Okay. Did I put my cheese in? Yes. Some avocado. Let's do half of this avocado in. Let's do half of this tomato in. All right. Wipe your hands. And the thing that makes, okay, this is what really gets it, okay? You put a good sized dollop of sour cream in here. Like that's a whole spoonful. That's good. And this is the best part of it all. You take your chips again. And instead of having your taco salad served to you in a chip bowl that's going to be all soggy, and you know they fry them. You know how they make those taco salad bowls? Let me tell you, I used to have to do it. They take a giant tortilla, you can buy them really big. They put it in the deep fryer grease, and they push it down with a kitchen can, like a can that other products come in, like beans. They push it down to retain that shape while it's in the grease. And then when it's done, they take it out of the grease and drain it, hopefully, so there's no excessive amount of grease on the chip bowl, tortilla bowl. But 9 out of 10 times, they're heavy and they're laden with grease. Okay, so this is much better. So you take your light chip, your beautiful chip, watch this. And you can do this with those store-bought chips too. Just crunch them lightly and drop them in. Okay, so this is the pro tip though, is that we have all this stuff in this bowl from the meat up is cold, hot to cold. And then we take our spoon, and then when you go to eat it, you use a spoon first, and then you just toss it. You just fold it. You just fold it over. Does that make sense? You just take the bottom over the top. Mix it all together. And it comes together quite nicely. And that is how you make a taco salad.